there, beautiful people. Thank you for stopping by and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Effie and I'm passionate about everything DIY, organization, home decor, and craft. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we are making a simple artwork for your home using an old picture frame that you basically can find anywhere and watercolors. In today's video, we're going to require the following items: the picture frame as indicated, a pencil of course and a sharpener. I know that's funny. Watercolors, they are the basic thing in the project, and a piece of paper, a drawing paper to be precise. Those are our requirements. Oh, and I forgot, I'm sorry guys, you need water. Because it's watercolor, you need water. And since you're going to use water, you also need clothing. Could be some tissue, some napkins, piece of handkerchief, anything that works for you. And straight away we begin the video. And by the way guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it so much. Whatever I'm doing here, this is the book that you find in your bookshop, in your local store, and you guys can see it's written karatasi there. And I don't know, should I show you? That is a project I'm working on. It's not complete yet, that's why and those are just a few. I can't show everything today. Let's just get straight into our project for the day. So first, we have to put the water in the segmented parts of the watercolor palette. As you guys can see, I am doing. It doesn't have to be full. Actually, watercoloring doesn't require much water, even though it's watercoloring. I know, it's ironic. Once that is done, we begin doing our sketch. You could basically sketch whatever you're doing if you are a perfectionist, but I know doing art is different. Some people do not do sketches, some people do. Some people go in with in-depth drawings, but it all depends. Whatever works for you, it's okay. So as you can see, I'm doing some filling of colors here. Yeah, and I was saying art is a form of expression. Everybody has their own way of doing it. It doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to look choreographed, doesn't have to look so nice. As long as it speaks to you, it's nice. It's okay. It's okay. So as you can see, I'm just doing some basic filling. You guys are going to be so in love with the final product. The first filling step is done. I'm beginning the second one. I'm trying to mix colors here and there, but you guys will love the final product. And did I mention art requires patience? I'm just going on with some filler colors. I'm using a light brown and a chocolate theme for the inner part. I used some blue and purple, just a little mixing for the lines that you guys can see. And another thing, just be patient. If you have the patience in your hand, you can do it. My first segment is almost done. Moving on swiftly. I'm so happy with how this is going to turn out. And by the way guys, the main reason for me putting out this video is for you to give it a try. Yeah, look at that. By the way guys, I need to mention this. In this part, I think my drawing was so perfect at this point, and you could basically leave it at this. We were doing a simple DIY art project that you can try alone with your family. But now look at how it looks. Look at how it looks. Thank you for watching this till the end. In case you try this, let me know. But if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. In case you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified once I put a video up.